Hey girls, we're the LipChicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
Beauty trends
for 2019.
It's a whole new year. That means what? New beauty trends.
Yes. It's
right?
going to be amazing. So we're going to kind of go over a few of what we think are pretty important beauty trends.
I'm actually I agree with all of these trends. I think that they're like all really pretty.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
Super good. So let's kick it off with glitter. I mean, who doesn't want some glitter, right?
Oh,
I'm totally obsessed.
I really have been loving the glitter looks, especially in the eyeshadows.
Yes, I got some on right now.
Yeah, glitter. Yeah. Love it.
Glitter everywhere, right? I even have a little bit in my gloss. I love it. It's super fun.
Yeah. All right, another one is monochromatic makeup. So meaning that if you have a similar color tones on your eyes and also on your lips. It's kind of like more of a minimalist look. You're just using a couple colors on your face rather than,
that'd be super pretty.
Yeah, right? I like that one.
Yes, totally love it. All right, so let's talk about no heavy contouring. It's out. Soft and light and, accent your...
More natural.
Right? Yeah, let's keep it down.
I like the more natural glow.
Yes, I've always liked to do natural. I never really liked the heavy contour. I was always like, when did that come and stop?
All right.
Let's stop that.
Well, what about this one? Brown is the new black.
Yeah.
When it's coming, especially to lip colors, like the nice, the nude lip colors, more like in between your natural lip color and a pretty brown. That's what's in right now.
Yeah, and I always love a brown eyeliner. I feel like it's very soft for my eyes over a black, but black is awesome too, but we're gonna give more lip to that brown. Yeah.
Definitely. And also, when it comes to those lips, glossy over matte. Are you guys surprised about that one?
Glossy.
Let us know if you're surprised about that one below. I would like to hear because I know that a lot of girls love their matte colors, but glossy is in.
Yes, we're super excited about that. I love glossy.
Yeah.
Let's talk about natural brows. Not like super,
not super, overplucked.
Yeah.
No overplucking, no silly shapes.
Yeah.
Just more natural.
More natural.
Kind of enhancing what God gave you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So, but let's not go overboard on that, okay? Let's keep it nice.
Let's keep it trimmed up, all right? But then I think lastly, we really just have to point out that 2019's Pantone color of the year is Coral.
And such a pretty color. I absolutely love it. So it's that pinky orange color. It's gonna be absolutely amazing for spring and summer. I can just see it everywhere.
It's always fresh. I do really love it for spring and summer.
I love it.
I'm
it's
excited.
Super pretty. And
yeah.
I feel like it looks good with all skin tones, which is really nice. And it's just a nice pop of color. So
yeah,
I'm excited.
You guys might have to look for some fun videos for how to incorporate that color.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
I think we got one coming for you.
Let us know, you guys, with all these beauty trends, maybe if some other ones that you've heard of. Let us know which ones you guys like and which ones you're going to incorporate the most.
Yes, we'd love to know. All right, girls. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.